Are you still tolerating inefficiency, vibration, high energy consumption when cutting pipes? Then take a look at ACME laser tube cutting machine, our original stationary cutting technology, redefining tube cutting standards. Its principle is to counteract motion through stillness. The pipe material is fully secured. The laser head moves with precision, fundamentally eliminates vibration caused by material movement, achieves effective shake resistance, enables a quantum leap in cutting precision. Simultaneously, the laser head exhibits minimal motion inertia, faster cutting speed. More importantly, it avoids massive energy waste from driving heavy pipe. Actual test comparison, overall energy consumption reduced by over 60%. Faster, more accurate, more stable. This is ACME original stationary cutting.